Actually, this health issue talaga is very close to my heart. You may think na I am doing this because I'm a cancer warrior as well, katulad po nating lahat. But I believe that you don't need to have cancer to really push for cancer, cervical cancer elimination. Napansin ko, ang dami-dami natin programa, ang kulang lang awareness. And that po to free yung mga best health care natin na po-provide naman po. Kailangan tulong-tulungan tayo. We cannot do this alone. We all need to work together to make a cervical cancer a thing of the past. Kayang-kaya naman po yan kung magtutulungan tayo. Inaantay na lang natin yung araw na sasabihin na lang natin na wala na talagang cervical cancer sa Pilipinas.